Hi friends, MyMixediary here. It's after a real long time that I'm making a video. Today I actually thought of escaping the city life. I didn't have much time to explore more places. So I thought of why not explore some good places in Toronto. I did my research yesterday night and I was so amazed to understand and know that this place is full of trails, full of parks. And of course, if you want an escape from the city life, sometimes you really don't have to escape from the city. It's in the city. So friends, as I said, sometimes you don't have to escape the city life to really feel close to nature. I'm yet to reach the place. So it's just 11:08 and I'm left with 10 more minutes to reach my destination. It's a beautiful Saturday morning walk. Though it's no more morning, it's afternoon. But nevertheless, as long as you enjoy the walk, right? I will just divert from the destination because I can see a good place, maybe a viewpoint. This time I'm not exploring that route. Maybe next time I'll be coming there. But for now, I'm again heading towards my destination. It's a beautiful walk. Toronto has a very diversified ravine system, if you're not aware, and it is one of the largest in the world. So this city is filled with so many trails, so many parks. It actually preserves the nature. Sometimes it's called the green veins of Toronto. That's the beautiful trail that I was talking about. It's called the Chorley Park Trail Connection and it's a completely zigzag route. It's a very narrow one. Since it's today a very good weather, I don't have to really bother much about rain and thunderstorms. A lovely trail after a long time. So if you can see, there is a staircase that I'm heading towards. Again, welcome to the city life. It's a beautiful park out here that's called the Chorley Park. And you can see on the other side, the city life is waiting for you. And that's where nature calls you. I'm heading back again. So since I live at uptown Toronto, it's very easy for me to, just plan such walks and visit these places. I'm sorry, I'm lost of breath. For people who really want to visit here, you can use the TTC, a bus or a train, and you can explore this park. If you come at this park, this is the point where you got to start from and come back again. If I show you the route from here, you just need to take the stairs down. There are boards everywhere which will help you to visit places. If you are in love with plants, in love with little wild animals, if you are in love with beautiful birds, you can always come here. Sometimes it's just worth the view. I showed you the route that was not well maintained, but you can take that route if you like it, because I like that route. But there is also a one that's beautifully paved for anyone who wants a comfortable walk in this trail. It's just such a beautiful experience. I'm heading back to my home through the same route. And just a note, if you're visiting this place, just for the sake of photos and videos, please do not destroy the nature out here.